Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we'll talk about Xiaomi Mijia electric precision screwdriver. They already have a similar screwdriver, but it's not electrical. You have to manually control it. This one has a battery capacity of 350 mAh and also a USB Type-C port for charging. You can also find the battery light indicator here. They have a premium build quality made of aluminum alloy material. This grip is pretty good to hold as well. Along with the screwdriver, they also provided 24 steel screwdriver bits in this box, which you can use for most of your DIY projects and experiments or repairing your favorite gadgets. This one is a 28 mm, which is pretty standard, and they also provided this one is 45 mm long bits, which will be really helpful when you are trying to work with the screw in a deep hole. I'll show you how exactly this screwdriver works now. To turn it off, you have to align this line with this dot here. To turn it on, you have to go here or go here. Xiaomi says you can prefer the one mode when working with mobile phones, watches, glasses and other precision objects which are clear. You can prefer the second mode when working with a smart speaker, notebook and other electronic devices. Now you have to set it in your desired mode and press the right button for right direction and press the left button for the left direction. That's all. I'll show you a demo right now. I have this clock with me. I'm going to use the 28 mm bit here because I can see the screw clearly here. This is actually magnetic. You don't have to worry about the screw bit falling down. Now you have to press the left button to unscrew it, and again this right button to screw it back. That's all. You can even do this manually if you're not satisfied with the mechanism. I also have this mirror with me. It belongs to my wife. As you can see, you can't clearly see the screws here. It's deep down. In such cases, we have to use this long one, the 45 mm bit. And again the same procedure. You have to click the L button to unscrew it and again click the R button to screw it back. That's all. I'm sure some of you might be confused if you should buy this. The answer is it depends. If you have some money to invest and if you need something electrical, maybe giving it to your kids to make it more interactive, then this is something I would definitely suggest. They also have 6 45 mm long bits, which I really find helpful. Also, please note that this is not really that powerful and you can't use it for intensive work. And if you don't need all such stuff, you just need a compact screwdriver which you want to handle all the time manually, then you can go for this, the previous version. Thank you so much for watching. Do kindly let us know if you have any comments. Please subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day.